Hey everybody, it's Henry. I'm back. I know it's been a while, but I've been on vacation with my family for spring break, and we've been doing everything but working on the car, and we've been waiting on taillights to arrive as well. So today we're going to be installing the taillights. Let's get to it. Alright, so the taillights we got were some clear taillights that we bought off of ECS Tuning for around $100. Clearly, it's packaged pretty well. I mean, so, alright, so this is the small box. So the taillights are right here. Cardboard. So, here are the clear taillights that we bought. I'll link them in the description. But we are going to be changing out these backlights to fully clear. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unlock the car. After that, we're going to open up the trunk. Alright, so now we've installed all this, and yeah, there's the finished video. Thank you for watching.